looking at here is a little wild strawberry. And why it's so difficult to see them, if I go over here, you can see the leaves have a lot of red in them. So it actually looks as though they're almost trying to disguise the little strawberries, because they're really, let's go over to the leaves again, more or less the same. You wouldn't see them. There will be more hiding in here, but well, it's late on in the year, so you see, you rush over and you strawberry, and you don't know if it's a strawberry or a leaf. That was a leaf. Here's a strawberry right there. They're cunningly disguised. They must want to just seed. See, you'd think that's a strawberry. It's a little bit of leaf.